I actually forgot what I ordered. I'm trying to show you all of this. So I'm trying to get a better look. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, I am the Miss Nicole Marie. As you see by the title today, we're going to be trying out Amazon Prime wardrobe. And these are things on Amazon that you can try before you buy. So this is really good if you are kind of low on money and you don't want to buy something and have to return it and all of that stuff. This program basically ships you the things that you want. You get to try them on. You get 7 days to try them on. And then whatever you don't like, you get to send back. And then they'll charge you for the stuff that you do keep. So we're going to try this out today. This is my first time trying out Prime wardrobe. And it looked like on the website that you could only do about 10 items at a time, which is perfectly fine for me. I think I only picked up 5 to 6 items. I will say it's a little tricky when you're actually going through the Prime wardrobe website. I noticed that some sizes aren't necessarily Prime wardrobe, or some colors. It will advertise something as Prime wardrobe, but then if you switch the size or switch the color, sometimes it's not. So pay close attention to that when you're actually purchasing or you're actually checking out on the items. This is also a separate checkout from the regular checkout on Amazon. So if you have multiple things in your cart, these are like 2 separate checkout points as well. Also, this video is not sponsored. I mean, I haven't bought any of the things yet since they just arrived yesterday. So let's see if I want to keep any of these. But all of this will be out of my own pocket, out of my own money, if I do decide to keep them. So this video is not sponsored, but without further ado, let's get straight on into the video. I have quite a large bag here from Amazon, so I haven't opened it up. I did sanitize it very well, quite a few times. So let's open this up and see what's inside. On the bag it says items must be returned in their original packaging, including hangers, poly bags, hand tags on garments, shoe boxes, dust bags, and gift boxes. Items must be unused, unworn, unwashed, and undamaged. So I guess keep that in mind when you want to return things. Alright, so I'm gonna just pull something out. Ooh. Alright, so I think we got some jeans. I did order these quite a few days ago. It wasn't Prime because of the quarantine, but it did come in less than a week, so that is pretty good. Just wanted to warn you if you want to do this. It's not Prime. A lot of things aren't Prime right now just because of the virus going around and stuff like that. So just to let you know, it did come under a week though, so that's still good. I actually forgot what I ordered. So these are Levi's, actually. So these are high-rise skinny jean from Levi. They have quite a few rips in them. They're fringed at the bottom as well. So these are a size 6, and then they have also the width 28 and length 30. High-rise, slim through hip and thigh. They do look quite skinny. Hopefully I can fit into these. I'm usually like between a 6 and an 8. So I think the 8 actually wasn't Prime, so I had to size down and get a 6. So hopefully I can fit into these. But they look really cute. Of course they're Levi's, so they're good quality. I'll put the prices in the corner up here for you guys. I don't remember off the top of my head how much they were. So let's try them on and see how they look. Alright, so these are the high-waisted jeans on. They go all the way up to here, so they are very decently high-waisted, which is great. I'm going to roll this up so you can kind of see all of the jeans, kind of like that. Now these jeans are very ripped. They have rips here on both knees, and then of course they have this really big rip. It's kind of high up on the thigh, depending whether you like that or not. These fit really, really well. They actually fit perfectly. So these really fit over the hips really well, and then they cinch in at the waist perfectly. There's like no gapping unless I pull it out. So it looks really good. I think the back looks really good as well. I'm trying to show you all of this. They go all the way down to the ankles, at least on me. I am, just for reference, I'm about 5'4", 5'5"-ish. So these go all the way down to my ankles, which I absolutely love. They're very distressed. They look really good. I think these are great. I'm living for it. These get like a 10 out of 10. Absolutely love these. All right, next item, black. Oh, these are leggings. These are, I think they're cropped leggings. They only go down to here. They're very soft. They look like almost like a fake Lululemon. I don't know what this logo is, but it's right on the back, just like a Lululemon leggings would look like. They're extremely soft. The brand is Choreo. Don't know what that is, but they look really good. They honestly look almost exactly like Lululemons. There is a small pocket on the inside, you can't even tell. But let's try these ones on and see how they look. You're not gonna be able to tell much from me just like holding them up. So let's try them on. All right, so these are the yoga pants on. These are extremely comfortable. They're very high-waisted. They go all the way up to here. And they actually go pretty far down. They go almost to my ankles. Almost to the ankles, actually. I think these were actually meant to be cropped, but since I'm short, I guess they go almost to the ankles, which works for me. But these are super comfortable. I think they look great. There's no complaints on these ones. All right, I don't think that these ones are see-through. You can see, of course, like my panty line through them, but bending over, I don't think that you can see through them too much. So that's a good thing as well. I really, really like these. The only complaint I have about them is that they don't have any pockets. Go figure, yoga pants don't have pockets. I mean, it's pretty typical. I would like them a lot better if they did have pockets, but still, I'm gonna give these a thumbs up. I absolutely love them. They're really comfortable, very high-waisted. So the only thing is that they don't have pockets. So I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. If they had pockets, this would be definitely a 10 out of 10. I love these. All right, this one I remember it was like the most interesting one on the website. All right, so they had this Champions hoodie on there. This is, wow, this is really thick actually. It's got the little Champion logo right there. So got it down here. Nice pocket. It's fleece lined. It's just like, this one was like most colorful item that they had, so I had to pick it up. The sleeve is really cool. Just black, white, blue, and red. This one looks really cool. I'm excited to try this one on and see how it fits. Alright, so here is the hoodie on. Of course, this is like a quarter zip hoodie. It has this pocket right here. This is actually pretty cropped. I don't know if I knew that or not, but it is very cropped. You see the high-waisted pants go up to here. So, very cropped hoodie. This is still like kind of stiff material at the moment. You can see the hood is like very stiff. It's really cute, but I'm in Florida and at the moment it's like maybe like 80 degrees out. So I'm like sweating. This is extremely cute. I do really like this. I like the different colors and like the different, I don't know, it's unique. I really like that part that is like really colorful. I think they also had 3 different like color combinations as well. So you can pick a different one if you like. And I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. This is really cute, really comfortable, really well made, and it's Champion. I don't think you can go wrong with this, honestly. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Now the next item is this. This is a half zip up hoodie, kind of like the last one, but obviously it's just gray and has these pockets here. It has this little detail here where there's this line that kind of cuts off. This one's actually really soft, way more softer than the Champion one. It's fleece lined. Ooh, actually, it's like that really, really soft fleece material. It doesn't, like, you can't pick it off and stuff like that. At least I can't pick it off. I have a problem with that. But this is more like if you had fleece lined leggings, that's what the inside of this feels like. Other than that, it's pretty basic. That's what it looks like, but you're not gonna be able to tell how this looks until I try it on. So let's try this one on. All right, so this is the sweater hoodie on. Again, this is a quarter zip as well. It's got zip-up pockets, which I like very much. Again, this is a very simple sweater. This one came in a lot of different colors. I think I got this one in like a dark heather gray, but they had, I think, like, I want to say between 5 to 10 different options. And this one has a hood as well. See? So this one is very cute. This one I think I got in a medium. This is one of Amazon's essential items. So it's more basic than like the Levi's and Champion type stuff. But I wanted to show you that you could get name brand stuff, and they also have their own Amazon Essentials items on there as well. So this is really cute. This is, like I said, fleece lined, like you would find the type of fleece in leggings. This is the type of lining it has. It also is cinched in on the armband right here, which is really nice. I like that. And then it also has that same effect down at the bottom as well. It's a little bit oversized, kind of long, but I did get this in a medium. I probably could have gotten it a small as well, but I really like this one. It's good for just like basic, you know, you can wear it on a jog, you can wear it to the gym, you can wear it just lounging around the house, going out to the store. It's very basic, universal, can do pretty much anything with it. And I think it was made really well. I think it looks good. And yeah, I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. Probably gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. I think they could have had more options as far as like their design and pattern on these, but I think they're all just pretty much solid colors. But overall, I really like it. I think it fits really well and it's very comfortable. So I give this one a thumbs up as well. All right, so that was me trying on all the things from Prime Wardrobe. I actually have one more item to surprise you guys with. It's something a little bit different because I wanted to get more than what I did, but a lot of the things were very basic, kind of like the Amazon Essentials stuff. I know, I feel like I got some of the most interesting things that they had on there, but I wanted to pick up a little extra thing, so I got a beanie. This is an Adidas beanie. This is from their Climate Warm Temperature Regulation collection. And it actually says this was $26 actually, which is kind of a lot for a beanie. But I guess it's Adidas. So let's try this on real quick. Last item. Ooh, this is cute. All right, I'm ready for winter again. I'm like in Florida, 80 degrees outside, and fully dressed for winter at the moment. This is really cute though. This is like really soft material. It's very fuzzy. It does shed just a little bit. Not too much though, from what I noticed. Kind of want to keep it because it's really cute. Though I do live in Florida. Don't know what I'm thinking. I should probably return this, but if I ever do go back to Michigan though, I will need it. So, let me know down below what you think about this beanie, if I should keep it. Will I ever need it if I go anywhere cold? Probably. Honestly, I'd probably need it if I go somewhere cold. But is it worth $26? I give this item a thumbs up though. If you want to spend $26 on this, go for it. It's probably worth it, honestly. But let me know what you think of this down below in the comments, if I should keep this item. What items I should keep and what I shouldn't, because I really like all of them. And this is going to be really hard to send anything back at this point, but your girl's kind of broke, so probably shouldn't be keeping these items, but I really want to keep like everything. So I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys think I should be keeping. Again, there's no question from last week, so I'm gonna skip over that part. If there ever is a question from the previous week, I will answer it, but there hasn't been one yet, so sorry for skipping over the question of the week again. I have quite a few exciting videos coming I'm excited for. I can't give away anything just yet, but please just get ready, be excited. There's going to be some changes, so get ready for that. So yes, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you think I should keep any of the items, please let me know down below. I will also be linking all the items that I purchased, if I can find the links, in the description down below. So don't forget to look for that. I also updated my Instagram, Twitter, and my now TikTok handles. So that information is located down below. It's all updated for you guys. It's also on my end screen if you want to take a look at that as well. It's just the Miss Nicole Marie on basically everything. Twitter didn't have a long enough one. It's the Miss Nicole M. So just got a little cut off. Please hang out with me on those as well. I post TikToks daily. I'm on Instagram pretty much daily. Please also stick around, subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified of every time that I post a brand new video. And I will see you in a few days on my next video. Have a great quarantine few days, and I'll be back to see you later. Bye!